Welcome to the Snack Off Kitchen. This is where flavor, creativity, and personality come together. Today, we're bringing together some of our most exciting nut tunes from across Southeast Asia. From Indonesia, the bold and confident Pistaisa. From the Philippines, the warm and charming Hazelyra. From Thailand, the precise and balanced pea peanut. And from Vietnam, the vibrant Nho Khô Duo. But this kitchen is not always easy. There will be pressure, unexpected challenges, and moments where every decision truly matters. Because here, it's not just about cooking. It's about flavor. It's about identity. It's about how far each of them is willing to go. This is Snack Off, and it's about to begin.